You guys how to create a QR code with the Django and Python. It's very easy. It's not that hard. Just within 15 minutes we're done, or maybe 20 minutes. But let's get started. As you can see, this is the Django project. I've started already. I've created my project and I've created my app. And I've also installed the app here, which is name is app. And I've also done my static files, my media configuration here already. And I've also named my templates directory here already. So let's get started. Let's start with the models. Before that, let me see into my project. And okay, and me, whenever I'm using Python, the normal way that will do things, Python manage.py run server. Obviously it will run, but I don't basically use this all the time, so I just come up here and configure this. This is basically what I use. I can just name it qr, and here the name of your project, qr/manage.py, then run server. That's all. This is how I run mine, so I can easily run it from here. Okay, let's get started. First we need to pip install QR code, and I already have that installed already. So, but you need to still do a pip install QR code. I already have that installed already, so I'm just doing it for the purpose of this video, so you will know what to do. It's taking time. Yeah, I've already installed that already. Requirement already satisfied, so that's that for me. I've already done that, so you just come and do import QR code. Then next we need to import some other things from IO. Import byte.io. From the Django.core, the files, import file. Then lastly, from Pi, import image and image draw. So I think these are the importations that we need, so let's start. Then we're going to create a class, and you can name it this anything, but I want to name mine site models.model. So you only need two things here: the name, which is models.charfield, max length, let's do 200. I like adding null true, blank true, but you don't need it if you don't want to. Null true, blank true. Now we need an image models.image field, upload to, let me say media. Let me just use single quotation here. Upload to media, then blank true, no true. So upload to media, this just in the Django you have a static file where all your medias, all your images are stored, but if you don't have a static file and you do this upload to media, it will create a media directory where all your images will be saved for you. So that's what this upload to does. It will create it automatically for you. But if you still want to like create a static file and create a media where your pictures will be and your images will be saved, you can do that. But if you do this, it will automatically create it for you if you don't have a static file. But obviously I've done that already at the back end. And yeah, we need to pip install pillow because you can't use image field if you don't have pillow. So we have to do that. So pip install pillow. I already have pillow on my, I've already installed pillow already. So it will tell me requirement already satisfied because I've already installed my pillow already. But let's just wait. Yeah, as you can see, requirement already satisfied because I've already installed pillow already. So let's continue. Def, let's go str self return. I just want to give it a variable name. So at my Django backend, so I can know the name, which is name. So we need to create another function, which is save function. Save self argument, keyword argument. Now we need to generate a QR code image. So we need to like give the variable name code. You can call it anything you want. I just want to name my own code image equals to QR code dot make self dot name. So now we have generated a QR code image. So next we need to create a blank Canva and draw the QR code on it. So Canva image.new. Now we need to have a node, the size and the color. So the node will be RGB. The size, let's use 310. Then color, obviously white. Or you can use any color though, but normal is white that you should use, please. So next up, we need to give another variable name to draw. So variable name draw, image draw dot draw. That's Canva. Okay, next up we need to paste the Canva. That's Canva dot paste. So what are we pasting? We're pasting the code image, this name here, the code image. That's what we are pasting. Okay, so next we need to like create a file. So it can be anything. You can name a file, any name, but I'll just name my file name equals to file image self dot name dot png. So I got this name image from here, the image here. So next off, we need to save the image to a byte.io buffer. We need to save the image to a byte.io buffer. So we have to create another variable name buffer byte.io and Canva dot save buffer capital PNG. Sorry for that. Sorry about that. So now we need to like save it. So self dot image dot save. So file name, files, file, then buffer, save equals to false. Why we're adding save equals to false? Because if we make it save equals to true, we're going to land ourselves into a big error. So that's why we keep that false. So we won't have a loop of so many images and all. So that's why we saved as false. So now we need to close our Canva. Canva.close, then super, the save, why is nothing here? Save arguments, then keyword arguments. So that's all that we need in the models. So we're done with the models now. So we need to like start our project and create a super user. I've already created a super user already. I've already done everything on the back end. So if you have not created a super user, obviously most of you should know how to create a super user. That's Python manage.py create super user, and you also need to like migrate this. I've already migrated everything already, so I don't know if it will work, but let's still try to migrate. Python manage.py make migrations. I don't think I'll have anything to migrate because I've already done that already. So you need to do this too. You need to make your migrations after all this. No change detected. Because I've done all that already. I've made the migrations. Python manage.py. Sorry about that. So after migrating, you will now create your super user. Like I said, Python manage.py create super user. Then they'll ask you for your name, your email, and your password. So you need to like have a password, because creating the password it will be blank, but you are trying typing something. But so you need to be careful. So like I said, we're done here already. Okay. Then you can run your server from here. I like using here to run my server because I use PyCharm. That's my studio editor. I use PyCharm, so I like running my server from here. So let us wait for the server to run. I don't know why it's taking time, but let's just give it time. Okay, our server is running now. Okay, let's see. It's blank. We don't have anything here. Let's just go to the admin. Oh, sorry, I forgot to like create an admin here. So from .model import site admin .site .register. What are we registering? We want to register the site. Okay, this should work. Let's reload. Okay, now my site is showing. We'll click here. We have to like add site. Let's just give it any name. Let me give it Michael Jackson, like popular Michael Jackson. Then save. As you can see, Michael Jackson. So now click on it again. Now see, an image has been generated. So click on it. Voila, you have a QR code. So if you scan this code, it's supposed to like carry you, like show you a page of Michael Jackson or explain everything about Michael Jackson. on your local browser. You can try it out. Try scanning the code and let me know what will happen. Just try scanning it. Okay, so since you have scanned it, you can also like add anything. You can change the name here, maybe any of your favorite artists that you know or any celebrity. I'm a Nigerian. Let me use a popular Nigerian. I know Davido. Then save. Then let's come back to Davido. If you click on it, if you scan this QR code, it will take you to a local browser and you will see more about Davido. You will know who Davido is and all that. So that's basically what this does. So, and you can use any name of your choice. It can be any celebrity, but me right now for this purpose, I want to add my email address. So I want to add my email address. Save. If you click on this is my email address. If you scan this code, it will direct you straight to my email address, so you can send me email and tell me what you like about me or what you hate about me, and give me an advice on how I can improve myself. Thank you. So that's that. But I really want to like display this at the front end, because as you can see, my front end here is kind of empty, but I would love to display this in my front end. So I already have a template already. I already have a front end template already. As you can see, I've created a template. I've done my index and base. In my app, I have my URL already. So let's get started. First of all, we need to from .models import sites, because we're going to need it. Then we're going to give this a variable name, obj equals to sites dot objects dot all. Side of objects or all. That's all you need. So in your context dictionary, obj equals to obj. So now I have this, so I will need to like use this in my front end now. So let's get to our template, because this is where it is going to display. This index.html is where it's going to display. So I've done this already. I already have my display here. So all I just need to do here is try to get the image. That's just all. I already have this set up already. I just need to just get my image, and this is what we're gonna do. Image, and let's give it a URL where it will look for that site. But before that, let's put this in a for loop. Let's put this in a for loop for sites in obj, and we'll close our for loop. And 4. So that's that. So now when we come here, we can now do sites dot image dot URL. I think that's all we need. So let's go back and refresh this. As you can see, that appeared. So if you scan this code now, it will take you to my email address. Like I said, you can also like change it here if you want to. You can change anything you want to here. You can change this name, you can add anything you want, you can view it from here. But I just wanted to I want to view it from the front end too. So this is basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time.